In this video, we'll show you how to configure Class 4 call recording in ConnexCS, including enabling the package, configuring recording settings, and managing retention policies. Class 4 call recording is a chargeable service, so first you need to enable or subscribe to the package from Setup, Settings, Account. From here, subscribe to the wholesale call recording package, which is priced at $0.0003 per minute. Once the package is subscribed, you can enable call recording for a specific customer. From the Management Customer section, click on the customer you want to apply the call recording to. Under the customer, click on the routing. Click on the route where you want to enable call recording. Go to Media and Session Control here. Here you can see the call recording option, which is disabled by default. You can choose sampling of 1%, 5%, 25%, or 50%. For example, if you choose 25% sampling, then 1 in 4 calls would be recorded. If you choose Enable Always On, it will record every call. You can see one more option, which is recording duration. You can choose how long you want to record the call. If you do not select any duration, it will record the entire call. Now, for this customer, you can also choose how long you want to keep or store the call recordings. Go to Customer Edit Config. Here you can see call recording retention days. By default, nothing is selected there, which means call recordings will not be deleted from this account. If you want call recordings to be deleted after a certain number of days, you can set a time period. For example, if you set 30 here, it will delete the recording after 30 days automatically. That's how you can configure Class 4 call recording in ConnexCS, including recording settings, sampling, and retention management. Thanks for watching.